Alright. Tell us about your snowman.
This is my amazing snowman with a big base, a middle, and a nice hat on top, and big ears. Look at these big ears.
That looks like hair. Not a hat.
A hat.
Like a toupee.
He's got his hat. He's got his hair underneath. Actually, the hat is actually rounded on the inside, so it fits on his head.
I still say it's a toupee, which could be a hat.
He also has a secret compartment down here, which comes out.
What kind of secret compartment is it? Like a kangaroo? Let's see what we got going on here. Oh.
I guess it's frozen now, so it won't come out. But he's a pretty happy guy. He's got a big nose. He can smell things. He's got some high cheeks there, so he's got lots of support. And he's going places.
There it is. The first snowman of 2007.
Awesome.